Hello, I'm Leanne and I'm the illustrator at Frame Your World Co. This is Vlogmas Day 2. Welcome back. I'm excited to introduce you to our little studio behind the scenes of creating inspiration. We'll be making Christmas stickers, we'll be decorating the studio, and we'll be packing orders. There is markets, there is so much planned. I'm in the middle of 12 Days of Inspiration email series where I'm sharing stories of our characters and more. So if you're interested in feeling inspired this Christmas or just want some Christmas vibes, then you're in the right place. So I hope you'll stick around. Thanks for taking the time to check us out and enjoy the vlog. Just sold my first of the Christmas baubles on our online shops and I'm really excited. We've got a few orders to pack and post. I'm a little bit nervous because I'm trying to film it and do it at the same time, but we'll have a go. First, I'm going to quickly put out the 12 Days of Inspiration email and then get cracking on the orders. The goal here is to help you stay creative and curious, and I'm also chasing my personal goal to grow this channel to 100 subscribers by the end of December 2024. So if you can help me reach that goal, that would mean the world. Don't forget to grab something warm, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the magical season together. Now, even though I didn't manage to continue with Vlogmas as I hoped this year, I think I got to day 8, I decided to post the footage that I did capture because I really had fun doing it, and I'm hoping that you'll enjoy seeing a little behind the scenes of what I got up to in December. It's been a very busy month for me in Frame Your World, and I'm really grateful for that. So if you have watched this channel, placed an order, or came to visit our market, thank you so much. And I may say that quite a few times because, well, this is a dream to be able to inspire others, and I genuinely mean it. This has been the first season where I really feel like I've defined and refined my style as an artist and developing some new products, venturing into tote bags, Christmas baubles and pet portraits. Gosh, there's so much to catch you up on, and I hope to do that in coming videos. Always use heat gloves when working with the heat press. Here I was a little bit excited to get a first glance at how well or not well this printed. As you can see, it didn't quite work out as vibrant and as clear as I hoped, so I did have to print this again in order for the order to be complete. But I've been testing and trying different colour gradings, and as any small business owner knows, this is just part of the process. This is what pure excitement looks like when 4 orders come in from not on the high street. Watch me print, pack and send out these beauties. Let's go! P.S. How cute are these pudding stickers on the packaging? 2 down and 2 more to go. Well, that's it for another